Are you currently in the market for a 10 by 10 canopy? Well, look no further. The seller sent this over to me to test out for you, taking it out of the bag, assembling it, and then I could show you what the product is all about. I'm excited to see what it is, so let's begin. So let's break down the product. It comes with a nice canvas bag. There is 2 handles, so that way you could easily lift it up and put it in the back of your vehicle. On the back side, you do have 2 front stand plastic hard pieces, as well as rollers, so that way you could easily pull it to your destination. These 2 straps are adjustable. You're able to then unclip them, unzipper the canvas bag, and now we're able to take the product out. Basically stands up on its own. We have spikes and string to go in and anchor it. We have 4 sandbags for each leg, as well as the canvas top. So let's get this installed. Normally what you like to do is just get it almost open like this. Take your canvas top out of the bag. In this case, I opted for tan. Now, each corner is going to have 2 Velcro straps, and then you have a Velcro piece around the leg. You're going to make sure you attach that to the corner. And then now what you're going to want to do is basically crawl under there. There's going to be an area with a rod that you're just going to push up, and then it's going to extend to a 10 by 10 canopy. Just like that. That's how simple it is to do. It clicks into place, so it's not going to go anywhere. And now you're able to raise up the leg. So now you're going to want to go around and adjust the corners to make them sure that they're completely flat against each corner. And then there is Velcro straps under here where you could attach it to the frame to make sure that this spot doesn't become flappy and you could kind of get it taut. So here's what it looks like on the inside of this 10 by 10 canopy. First off, it's got plenty of space. I'm 6 foot, and you could kind of see the height difference it is to the roof of this. And this is only on the 2nd setting. It could even go up higher if you wanted to. Now, there is double canvas over here and here for having where the straps to the metal frame, but also where these points potentially could rub on the roof. So that way it's going to give it a little bit more durability over time. The corners, also double canvas. You do have cross members that are a thicker metal, so that way it's going to be able to withstand some of that pressure of being up all day. And then when you go up, you also have these little straps that you could Velcro as well to make sure the canvas stays to the frame. Now, if you wanted to take it down, let me show you how simple it is. All you got to do is push this button up and then pull down. And then now you just collapse the whole setup, take it apart and put it back away in the canvas bag, and it's ready for the next time. But this is how simple it is when you are under here. All you got to do is push up and it clicks into place. The legs here are a nice touch because it does have feet that have 3 holes in them, so that way you could spike it to the ground. It's a heavy duty button right here that you could adjust the height simply by just clicking it in and then selecting the hole that you would like. And then again, on the outside, you do have those areas where you could strap string over to also protect it. Each corner has their own sandbag that you could fill sand in to put more pressure on the legs, so it's not going to move anywhere. Overall, this is a really great product. Definitely recommend it for anybody looking for that 10 by 10 canopy that wants an easy setup and breakdown for their next event. Go out, grab this today. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.